What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. It's your girl Faith Matini here, and in today's Cook and Clean with me, we are going to be cooking pork roast. This is my first time ever cooking pork roast before. Actually, it's going to be my first time ever eating pork roast. So with this recipe, it calls for 3 to 5 pounds of pork, and then I'm just actually mixing up all the spices. So I added 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, and that was it for the spices. And then I just mixed those all up, and I had to just pour this over the pork roast. And this is just me putting oil first and then pouring rubbing on the spices so that they can be well integrated with the pork roast. Now let me know in the comments if you have ever made or eaten pork roast before, and how you cook it, how long it takes you to cook it. This took me about 3.5 hours to cook and to prepare and cook. It did turn out pretty well, but I feel like the meat was not as tender as I thought it would be with this whole time, but you'll be able to see the whole thing. So at first I just put it in for about 30 minutes at 450 degrees, and then I turned that down and left it in for about an hour. And then after I took it out, so this is after I took it out, so it had been in there for an hour and a half, and then I'm just adding all the veggies, which were the onions, carrots, and potatoes, and then just sprinkling those all over the place. And then I also added apple juice to this. It calls for 2 cups of apple juice. So I added that on there as well, and then I put it back in for another hour and a half until the meat was tender. So I let it stay in until the potatoes were tender. So it wasn't really as tender as I thought it would be, like the meat itself, but it was still pretty good. I really still enjoyed it. So yeah, as I mentioned before, this was my first time ever cooking pork roast. I did love it. I absolutely love it. I mentioned to you guys before that I'm trying to try out different recipes, different American recipes, because I want to pass that on to my kids. I want them to be able to cook these foods with their children since they already live in this country. So I am really enjoying trying out different recipes. I am definitely going to be leaning more towards healthier options since I am trying to lose weight and whatnot. This was definitely not the case here, but that's kind of what I'm looking for now from now on, and that's what you can expect from me. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, if you are new, hello, my name is Faith. I post content on motherhood, lifestyle, and cleaning. I am a single mom to my twin boys, Hodari and Milambo. So I post different things here. I love to cook. So I have been cooking quite a bit. And then I also post cleaning videos, as I mentioned. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay tuned for more videos. I'm working on a more consistent schedule, which is going to be Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So this was definitely an exception, but you can definitely expect videos on those days. So on this night, actually, we were having a family dinner night with my siblings, and so they came here so that we can eat together and they just enjoy each other's company. We had some wine. I didn't really drink that much, of course, because I have kids, but I just had to, sip, just have a little glass of wine with my food and with my siblings. We just had a really nice conversation. Um, and I really just enjoy that. I really enjoy, meeting with them and fellowshipping with them because we get so busy sometimes that we don't get enough time to spend with each other. So when we can actually do that, it's so awesome. And this is the final product, guys. As you can tell, it is literally swimming in potatoes, but it was pretty yummy. Yeah, that was a lot of potatoes. But yeah, so we just ended up enjoying this night, enjoying each other's company, each other's fellowship, and then just yeah, just eating as a family. I just love doing this. Well, as you have seen, guys, dinner was just absolutely awesome. I just enjoyed meeting with my siblings and just fellowshipping with them. So I don't think you guys ever know. I don't know if you guys know. I did post a video with them before, like it was like a year, 2 years ago. But I do have two siblings. I have a brother and a sister, as you've seen in the video. But I am the oldest one for us, and it's just crazy when we came here all the way from Kenya, and it's so nice to just have that that bond and to continue that friendship. So I love doing it, and there's nothing like meeting and over a meal. So the rest of this video is going to be just me cleaning up after the mess. So I hope you enjoy the music while I clean up.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had afforded, just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. Oh, yeah. Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone.
I would love to know, what are some of the meals that you enjoy with your family? What are some meals that you feel like this just brings you all together? And it just feels like it's such a good gathering when you make that meal and you're there with your whole family. Let me know in the comments. I'm trying to, like, as I mentioned, create different recipes and meals that me and my kids can enjoy, that they can be able to look back on and say, oh my gosh, this is what my mom used to cook for us, and this is what we enjoy, this is what we love to come home to. You know how you like hear people say that. I know with my mom, I know what she like. I love her cooking, and you know, every time I go back home, I go and I eat what she cooks, and I love it. And so I want to create that with my children too, and it's just so exciting. I think that's one of the exciting parts of being a parent, being a mother, is just passing on this, you know, skills and life lessons and things that you enjoy to your children. So I'm really excited about passing on like foods that I enjoy, that I know that they're going to enjoy as well. So yeah, let me know in the comments, what are some of the foods that your parents passed on to you that you enjoy, you know, making, or that you enjoy fellowshipping with your family on, you know, or what are some of the things that you like to cook? Let me know in the comments.
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it, so cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close, I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray. It's the last thing that I need. Wanna feel something that's real. With you I get that. You're like a lighthouse in a dream, really distant but your beam is guiding me home. So cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close, I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
The text on XO, my ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol, just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later, but you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down, don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything.
And that is it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, leave me a like and a comment down below letting me know what you think. If you're not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay tuned for more videos, and I will be seeing you on the next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this one, and I hope you have a fantastic day.